you knew my heart's desire. Your hands caress me, your body possess me. Now I keep you. If I could, if time would stand still and we was both this way, you know what? I'd be satisfied being here with you. Our besties, you set my mind on fire. The time you need, my body and soul belongs to you. Don't ever say we're through. No, 'cause we're still in love on the side. Still in love on the side. You don't belong to me, and I don't belong to you. Still we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. Your time is here. You gotta leave and go on to your family. And your woman, she'll be waiting there for you. Ah, yes, there's no explaining of the love we share. It's just between us two. And you can't stay away from me, and I can't stay away from you. Baby, we belong. Alright. And we're still in love on the side. Still in love on the side. You don't belong to me, and I don't belong to you. Still we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. Still in love on the side. Still in love on the side. You don't belong to me, I don't belong to you. Still we're together. I'm your need. My body and soul belongs to you. Oh, don't you ever say we're through. We're still in love on the side. Still in love on the side. You don't belong to me, and I don't belong to you. Still we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. The time is here. You gotta leave and go on to your family. And your woman, she'll be waiting there for you. Ah, yes, there's no explaining of the love we share. It's just between us two. And you can't stay away from me, and I can't stay away from you. Baby, we belong, and that's right. We're still in love. Oh, we're still in love on the side. We're still in love on the side. You don't belong to me. I don't belong to you. So we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. We're still in love. Oh, we're still in love. Right on the side. Oh, we're still in love. Right on the side. You don't belong to me. I don't belong to you. So we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. We're still in love, right on the side. We're still in love on the side. You don't belong to me. I don't belong to you. So we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. Boom.
Big up,
Big up on
kings and
yourself.
queens.
Big
West
up.
Monday to you.
I'm on there now. I'm on there
Yes,
now.
man, I'm Monday.
Happy
Happy
Boxing
Boxing Day.
Yes. Just a little something for your actor. Yeah. Since Facebook love block me, when me play my music, me figure me sing it for you. You understand? Yeah, man.
That's all right. I love your voice. I love your voice.
Thank you. Big up, me kings and queens.
Big up on ourselves.
Big up on yourself. I'm a want to send a special thank you to you guys for all the anniversary wishes. Yesterday was my 29th year anniversary for Mike and I.
AKA Tough Crackers.
Tough Crackers, yes. I appreciate all the love. Yes, I do. Thank you guys so much. And again, for the birthday wishes, I am so honored to get all those wonderful wishes from you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yes. So tonight, my friend says she want to interview me. Me don't know what the question.
Questions for chocolate.
Yes. Big up on yourself and my supporters who have been here with us from day one. Big up on yourself.
Big up.
You know, if you're in the comment section, big up on yourself. And for the new ones and the ones that have been here a little bit, appreciate you guys.
Big up yourself.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Big up on yourself. Yes, man.
And if it's your first time watching, welcome.
Yes, welcome to the new bistro. Yes, so Me have to sit down comfortable because me's a girl, me not like an interview, you know. I like people can ask me now like a question. Yeah. And then me can't answer. I don't know, watch me. Yeah. So me will try my best. Yeah, I'm be honest. You have to take honesty. Depending on where your question. Yeah, because you know me not no filter.
No, me know. And honesty me want.
Yeah. So whenever you're ready for begin, let me say Cheryl, big up yourself. Cheryl, Yvette, big up yourself. Yes, Lana, big up yourself. Maureen,
big up.
Douglas, big up yourself. Yes, Lola, big up yourself. Janet
Campbell, big up
yourself.
Marlene, big up.
Marlene Levy, big up yourself.
Chambers,
big up yourself.
Rosemary,
Lord, it go fast. Jackie, Lord, Beverly, Asheen, Nicole,
big up.
Big up on a nice.
Big up all of you. Bless you.
If you're celebrating a birthday today, happy birthday to you.
Or this month.
Happy birthday. Yes, guys, we'll be on Thursday night to give away credits. Because you know, when is New Year's? Saturday. So Friday night we're gonna be partying, ringing in the new year. So I want to get it out the way. So we're gonna give away some credits on Thursday night. We're gonna come back and give away some credits. But tonight my friend insists, and she insisted on asking me some questions.
Yes, I have some questions for Miss Chocolate.
So let's go.
All right.
Ready? Ready.
You want to stand or you want to sit?
Yes.
Make sure you're comfortable, you know. Make sure you're comfortable. No pressure.
Yeah, so I'm a bad girl from magazine.
All right.
I'm not afraid of nobody. Yeah.
All right. So since yesterday was your anniversary, I've been thinking, and I'm like, you know what, I want to ask you some questions.
All
right. So again, happy anniversary to you.
Thank you. I had a wonderful day. Big up Tough Crackers. Always making whatever milestone or just every day. Awesome husband. It's so cliche. I don't want to come brag them people think I'm a liar. You know what I mean? But I am blessed. I'm grateful for such a wonderful husband. Best friend. Yes, best friend. Best friend in the world. Nobody feel no way now.
No man. He's your male best friend. I'm your female best friend.
All right. Come in, you're a girl with a ball.
No man, Manaba. Okay. So, how did you guys meet? How did you and Michael meet?
Oh, Mike and I met. Lord Jesus. Whew. So,
many moons ago.
Me know Mike since me about like 10, 11 years old. Because him brother come out with church. Yeah, and his brother close to our family. So him brother house is like a yard away. We go all the time. So when I went there one summer, you know, my mother would leave me a milk brother. My milk brother always love around at them the yard. I don't know if she did left around there because it's so long ago, I don't remember. But I was at his brother's house and he was there on summer break from school. Okay. But me never did like him. Yeah.
Oh, you didn't like him?
No, him annoying. Yeah. He was very annoying. You know, them little boy will love for one ramp. I'm in a ramping business. You understand?
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, he used to love ramp and tell me I walk in one wall and for some strange reason, me think back and me maybe did like him because me used to pass all the time thing while I'm on my hand. I don't know. I think me did like him. Yeah. Yeah. So I know him since them time, since me a little picnic. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Who proposed and how?
Okay, so when I came to America, Mike and I started dating like when I was like 14 years old. Yeah, we start date, and of course, you know, not everybody that agree because I can see why me did young. You understand? Me did young, and we have to ache to see each other. We have to ache to see each other for a long time. Because of course my father not put up with that, my sister. That time my mother in America. You understand? So we have to hide to see each other. We also I got church because I did big in a church, like, you know, choir business. So me that's I got study choir rehearsal. Yeah, rehearsal and stuff like that. And me not gonna rehearsal, me just take a little detour and go on a mic yard, go look for him. And then when me know say, like rehearsal or service over now, me just bolt go home. Yeah. As some me know say.
So you used to bring a Bible with you?
Yeah, me bring all the Bible with me, man, and me ID on the highway. In I grass, in I bush, in I highway, over highway.
You were back here for a long time.
Yeah, I'll go look for him. Yeah, and then when time I know church soon done now, we both cross the highway. We look up the highway because we could have seen Brother Kiar. We can see church run down the highway. So when we see Brother Kiar out there, we know say, alright, church still a go on. If it can't disappear, we know we have to make a run for it before my sister get home and my brother from church because all hell go broke close. Me get in a trouble. Me be honest, me tell you now. Well, yeah. Yeah, man. So we used to hide to see each other until one time now, of course, my brother and sister eventually find out because my sister used to come down our house and take care of my younger brother and me. You know, because my mother over here. And yeah, me used to use her as an excuse too, because see Michael, you know, and she know about it. And she not say not me love her, you say like cook food. My sister-in-law Patsy, big up yourself. Yeah. So all when them accuse me, she will take up for me and say, no, them not together and stuff like that. It's a long fairy tale story, believe me. Like, you know, the first time I ever set foot in my yard, it was like Christmas. Me did sick, but it me coming like me get healing the day when I come out there and see him. Automatic healing, man. Healing. Yeah, man. No medicine, no doctor, nothing could not heal me so quick. Yeah. And let me tell you how it happened. My brother and my sister, they go buy some grocery. The time Mike used to ride in bicycle and stuff like that. They go buy some grocery and they just struggle for bring up a grocery. I mean, I don't know if I slick, Mike slick. But he made a pass them and he helped them to bring up the grocery up on my yard. And I saw him reaching on my yard. And when me hear a voice out, I feel like me don't drop down because me I said to myself, this can't be real. Or end up in my yard. Yeah. So that was the first time he end up in my yard. And me I tell you, when they now look and he touch me upon it, my hand me feel like me get healing same time. I feel like me heal. Me ain't sick no more. Healing right after that. Healing. Me not lie to you. Healing. Yeah, healing.
So how did who proposed and how?
Back to that. So when me left Jamaica at 16 years old and everybody did things you know, eventually when he come at my house that one time, then me talk to my sister. You know, me just tired for hide. You know, me tired for hide. So me come clean to my sister and my father. Me make them know he's a good guy. You know what I mean? Because one thing about Mike, he never want pressure. He not in a type of pressure me for sex and them stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Him was the type of like a best friend type of thing.
Yeah.
Yes. So me come clean to them and tell them, say, you know, me tired for hide. You know, whether them want me talk to him or not, me I go talk to him. So them I forgot just accept it. Yeah. Yeah. So my sister, me write me want bring me up on a date, so I write my sister a letter. I never forget a Coney Park. Coney Park was the first date him ever bring me upon. And my sister said I have to bring me back. I never forget it. By 11 o'clock. I might bring me home at 10 o'clock. Yes, 10 o'clock. Coney Park. Yes, down from Mandela Highway. Who remember that? Yeah, Coney Park. Yes. So, so me leave come America at 16 and everybody pretty much say it over. Because me I go come America and find my boyfriend, it done it over, say goodbye, whatever. But I knew the bond that we have. You understand? Me knew the bond that we had. So when me came to America, no matter who want to talk to me, I just mic me could have think about. I just mic me want to be with. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. So my father parked me came here the February in 1991, and my father passed away the August. Same year we came here, 6 months after we came here, my father passed away. So we all go back to Jamaica for my father's funeral. And when I went back to Jamaica for my father's funeral, one night, me and him walk from down on my yard, go up a female yard. And it was late in the night, barely anybody there on the road. Yeah. So we stopped under him stopped me in the middle road under one stoplight. Up on the hill, I never forget it, and he get down on his knee in the road and ask me to marry him. Yes? In the road. Yeah, in the middle of the road. Yes.
Under the light.
Under the light. And me say yes. But then after me say yes, me say to myself, Jesus Christ, my mother gonna kill me. My mother gonna kill me. Yeah, cause my mother didn't go back to Jamaica with my mother gonna kill me. So me try to hide the ring. When me go back home at the yard, me hide the ring. And me nosy auntie, she had first one seat and she said, come here! What that pan your finger? Come here! What that pan your finger? And she looked at me and me show it to her. I don't know what she say. And me say, Mike put here, and she call her, create a piece of excitement. And me think my mother did all mad and whatever, you know. But she said, you're not going to get married now. You're too young to get married. That's a promise ring, right? So me say, basically, yes, it is a promise ring. But, you know, she never did get married because at that time she did know Mike by then. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
and I know him is a good guy. So, yeah. So, in proposed.
So you kind of answered my question, my next question, which is, how did your family react to your engagement?
Yeah, that, I mean, at first, you know, everybody, they thought I was too young.
Yeah.
You understand? But then I tell them, so I'm not going to get married right away. It's basically just a promise ring until I'm ready.
Right.
Yeah. And that's the same thing he told them. Yeah, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And my father, by the way, did love Mike. I don't know if because my father was a police and Mike was in the army at that time in Jamaica, yes. But he loved Mike. Mike is old, a little bit. Mike is older than I am, guys. So, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Although he joined the army or young, he joined at 18. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So my next question is, how did you know he was the one you wanted to marry? How did you know he was that special one that you wanted to spend the rest of your life with at such a young age?
Alright, cause me used to go around, like I said, me know him from so young. So when I admire about him the way he treat his mother. I love the way he look out for his mother and his younger brother. And the fact that him joined the army at that young age trying to make a better life for them. You understand? So I admire that. You know, I was young, but I was a mature thinking individual.
Right.
Because I grew up around so many older brothers and sisters.
People, yeah.
Yes, so you know, my maturity level was up there.
Right.
So yeah, me see that in him, the fact that he never pressure me into wanting to just go to bed with me. In way, you know, when I come home from school and want to know about my homework, you know what I'm talking. We talk about them things there.
Yeah.
Yes. We can talk to him about anything. We can chat from now till eternity. So we used to talk about the family where we're gonna have, the house where we're gonna live in, all them things there. Yes. So I knew he was the one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So my next question is what has made your relationship of...
I might take chocolate out of church. No, I am taking out of church. No.
I'm going to talk about the Bible.
Oh, the Bible.
Hiding in the Bible.
Hiding in the Bible. Yeah, man, me used to hide in the Bible. And let me tell you something, me did afraid of Duppy. But when me figure see Mike, me don't remember nothing about Duppy. Nothing at all about Duppy.
No fear.
No fear. No fear at all. Me not have. Yeah, man, me watch all through some bush. When them say I in the so Duppy live, yeah, not Duppy not live there when me forgot see Mike. Duppy live where?
Duppy gone them night.
Duppy gone, yeah man, no Duppy not in them the bush there. When me want see Mike, no fear. Yeah.
Alright, so my next question is, yesterday you celebrated your 29th wedding anniversary. So what has made your relationship so strong for so many years?
First of all, and this might sound cliche, you have to make God the center of your relationship. And because the two of we have such strong belief in a God, yes, and also remain best friend. We remain best friend. We can joke together. And once you look at your man as the king and him look as you as the queen, him will treat you accordingly. See, me not like Mike, we just randomly buy me a gift. I do the same thing. Mike take me out, me take him out. You know, if me go to the mall and see something that he don't like, me buy it. If him go to the mall and see something that I like, he buy it. You understand? Me test him a lot in our relationship when we are date. To know if him would be the type would be physical with me. If me push him, to a certain level and push him there and beyond.
I remember one specific incident of that. Yes,
Yes.
I remember.
Yes.
Actually, a couple, but yes, I remember.
Yeah, because that's one of my things that I knew as a little girl that I would never, ever settle for somebody that was gonna ever be physical.
I agree with that.
To me, because me see that happen, and me always look at it and said I will never be with somebody. I gonna lay them hands for me. If we can't talk about whatever the issue is, then when I be for me together.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be physical.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
So I always know that from long time. But me push him, me make him get mad. Oh my God, me make him see me with other guys. You know what I mean? Talking to other guys and see if him are the ignorant type where they just walk up and want start a fight and stuff. No. So like I said, what keep us, the fact that we remain best friend, we make each other laugh. That's important to me because Mike know me silly. You understand? So and him silly too. So him play into whatever I'm doing. Him play into it. For example, like when we downtown the other day when he came to the hotel, him knows some be silly, with the elevator, and him play into it.
Yeah.
You understand? Because him know me try to make the audience crack up. Yeah, so that's how we are.
Yeah. All right. So my next question is, Wednesday is my wedding anniversary.
Happy anniversary to come.
My question to you is, what advice can you give me as someone who has only been married for almost 4 years?
All right,
I'm still kind of young in the marriage thing.
My advice, like I said, just remain best friends. Don't get a lot of people, whether it's his family or your family, involved in your relationship when there are issues. You understand? Because they're gonna be on your side and his family is gonna be on his side. And you don't want to create any you don't want to put him in that position. You understand? So the more people you keep out of your relationship and try to work things out amongst yourself, is the better it's gonna be. Yes, because it's a sacred union. So I've learned that whatever issues we have, we deal with it on our own. And whether we try not to talk about things in the heat of the moment, because you have to say a word. And we learn that over time. It never always like that. Because like the first 2 years Mike and I lived together, we could not get along. Yeah, we could not get along because him have habits that I wasn't used to. I have habits that he wasn't used to. You understand? So we get on each other nerve. And let me tell you, if you can work through them first few years of living together, then everything else is a piece of cake. Because those are the hardest years. Yeah, because now you have to combine finances. It's all about and finances can break up a lot of people. Yeah. So
and we had to combine kids. We had to combine families.
It's a blended family with you.
Yeah.
So I don't know how to explain that part of it. You have to figure out what works for you guys. But as far as the relationship part, always keep in mind that love that first brought you guys together. Whenever there's anything difficult that you have to deal with, just remember that go back to that place. Go back to that place. Don't talk out of anger. Let it chill. If I even forgot one boy, because he's the type of person who just going at the garage and just in there and wait till things calm down.
Okay.
Then we can have a conversation. Yeah? Because yelling back and forth, you're not really hearing each other.
Yeah.
And I learned that throughout the screaming part.
Yeah.
When we just live together.
Yeah.
The yelling back and forth. I used to tell Mike some word, man. Lord Jesus, I don't know other man. Me tell him some word. Because film him out already. Yes. And if you can't go through that, you understand.
I know there has been points with us where I might have like I'll get loud and I'll start yelling and he'll be like, "Why yelling?" And I'll be like, "Because I'm mad." What do you mean, why am I yelling? You just want to strangle? What do you mean, why am I yelling? Because you're making me mad.
Yeah, and then Mike used to be the type of person that back then when we have arguments, he would laugh at what I say. And me think him not take me serious. And that even get me more upset. Because he would crack up. Like I me tell him sitting when me thinks if it hurt him feelings, him kid over laughing. And that crap used to make me so mad. Yeah, so
irritated.
Mad. Yes.
Because I'm a laughing.
Because and it make me more, worse mad. Yeah. So
you used to do it on purpose?
On purpose, yes. So me figure out that now. Me figure that. Over time, me figure that. You know what I'm saying? So that help me to stop. Go so hard.
Yeah.
Because you're in reaction. Him not give me back the reaction me I look for. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's it in a nutshell.
Okay. Well, I appreciate that advice. So now I have a couple more questions to you. Going kind of off the subject of, your relationship with Michael. Now I'm going to go on to our friendship.
Okay, bring it.
All right. So my first question to you is, I have had a lot of people, I can't say friends, I've had a lot of people that I thought were my friends, and then over time, they changed. What makes you so different?
I could ask you that same question. Well, oh my God, that's a difficult one. What makes me don't change? Because I don't think I had anything to change about. It's just me, being me. You understand? So
I guess my question would be, well, I mean, it's kind of hard now because, we've been friends for so long, but, I guess if you were going to do some of the things that they did to me, you would have done it already.
Absolutely. I don't know if I answer that the question there. Maybe have to be somebody else in order to answer that because I'm just being me. There's nothing for me to change about. I'm being me. I'm treating you like I would want a friend to treat me. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm being to you what I would want you to be to me. So that's the best answer I can give.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my next question to you is, I started out being friends with your niece prior to you and I becoming friends.
Right.
What made you want to be my friend?
It's not a matter of me wanting to be your friend because, as you know, that things have to happen naturally for me.
Yeah.
So it's not like me sit down and say, I want her to be my friend No, you used to come over to my sister's house and them time nobody couldn't tell we say we're not beautician because we set up in the bedroom to look like a beauty salon.
True.
And then you would sit down and make me do anything to your ear and your makeup and all of that. So of us doing all them things together, the friendship just forms naturally.
Yep.
So it's not like me sit down and say, you see the girl there? I want her to be my friend. No, it was because we hung out together and you seemed to be I knew you were a nice person and a genuine person. So our relationship built from that, and then you moved to New York with me. So we live in the same house. So of course we build that bond as best friends and like sisters.
Yeah. Okay, let me tell you something about her beauty salon. Okay, you see how long my hair is? All right. Back then my hair was this long.
Yeah.
And she said, let me do your hair. And she chopped my hair off.
Yeah, we were trying to do that Tony Braxton.
Yeah, like that Tony
style.
Braxton style.
Yeah,
back then,
yeah.
the case down style that Tony Braxton had, oh my God.
Yeah, chop it off.
Chop it off. Me not a business, we just make her chop it.
Yeah.
So whatever. It is what it is.
I'm telling them, I didn't mess you up, people. Me didn't know.
But you remember right after that we went to Jamaica and everybody and their brother wanted to gel down my hair.
Yes.
Everybody wanted to gel down my hair. Oh my God. That was a funny story. Yeah. All right. So my next thing is I've confided in you quite a few things. Where I've confided in other people and they've turned around behind my back and told people what I confided in them. What makes you keep what I tell you to you and not going to Michael or Pram or anybody else and telling them things that I've confided in you personally, what makes you not tell them?
Because I figure if you wanted them to know, you would tell them. And if you wanted me to tell them, you would say, Chocolate, you need to tell Prem this, or you need to tell that person that, or that person. If you come directly to me, that's because you wanted just me to know. That is a simple question to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, girl.
Yes.
All right. So my last question is, you say that you have a lot of female friends, but I've only seen one. When I've come over to your house myself, with the exception of one other person when she comes from Jamaica to visit. Why is that?
I said I have friends, but Jamaican, we always quick to use the term friends, but as you they're not really friends, they're associates, I must say.
Okay.
You understand? Because friend, to me, friend is you, somebody like you, who knows me. And I've had experiences where I've taken females as friends, like when I used to live in New Hampshire. Mm-hmm. And I'm the type of person like this. When things happen to me, it don't have to happen more than 1 or 2 times for me to learn. Mm-hmm. You know, I'm not going to say it can't happen to me, but when it happened to me, I learned from it.
Yeah.
So I used to have girls that I've called my friends. And I don't know if I told you the story. I'm pretty sure I might have, but I'm sharing it so the audience can hear.
All right.
And when they had house. At that time I live in an apartment, mm-hmm. and they have whether it's a townhouse or condo, they live in much nicer places than I lived in. And we work together.
Yeah.
And I was okay, them invite me go party, me never think about none of that. I'm working towards what I wanted in life.
Right.
But I realized they weren't friends the minute I bought a house and I told them that I did, and they came and saw it. After that, they didn't, they withdraw themselves from me and became jealous. You know what I'm saying? They would want to invite me out places, and if Mike and me have like arrangement to go out that same time, they would have attitude because I would choose to go with Mike over them. It's not like I never gone out with them. You understand?
Yeah.
There wouldn't be understanding. And I notice it's because they weren't in relationships.
They were single.
They were single.
Okay.
So they became jealous of the way Mike treated me as well. So I learned from that and say, you know what? I'm gonna choose my friends wisely. Anyone that's around me is gonna have to cheer for me as much as I'll cheer for them, because I cheered for them before they had gotten their place. Mm-hmm. And when it came to me, it was they didn't give me what I gave to them. So I learned from that. So that's why you don't see me with a lot of female friends coming to my house, because I learned from that. They don't even know where I live or stuff like that. Not friends, but people that I talk to. Mm-hmm. Only like you, and like I said, my best friend, my other friend back home. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because I know her for a really long time.
Yeah.
I know that, she's happy for me, and she won't be jealous of my life or anything like that. So I learned quickly. When I saw those signs, I just say never again. Yeah.
Okay, they were red
Yes,
flags.
yes. So that's why I don't entertain a lot of female. Not that they never ask to come, but me not really make it happen.
Open up.
Me not open up to make them come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because people will bring bad energy, and I don't want to have to go into that back and forth at this stage in my life with women trying to be envious or don't really wish me well.
Yeah.
Sincerely.
Right.
I don't have time for fakeness.
Right.
So I don't try to even entertain other people in my life, and I'm okay with the little real friends that I have. Yeah.
Okay. Well, that kind of answers my next question, which was going to be, I've had people who have been jealous and envious when I have certain accomplishments happen in my life, whether it may be, for example, a promotion at work or something like that. And they've been jealous and they change. So my question was, why haven't you're different than that?
Because if you have a friend in your life, right, you want the best for that person.
Right.
So because I want the best for you, when anything happen good for you, I'm gonna be happy because I really sincerely want it for you.
Yeah, and see,
when you have genuineness living in your heart, you don't get jealous of stuff like that.
Right.
When you really want it for the person. Some people say, I wish you all the best, but when you get the best, they don't want you to have the best. That's not me. When I wish you the best, I want the best. And sometimes what you think is the best, I want to see it it's not the best for me. And you know what I'm saying? Because I want to see you reach the highest heights as a friend. Why would I not want that for somebody that I care about? I don't understand that thinking.
I guess that, and I guess that's the difference is you genuinely care and they didn't.
Yes, that's the difference.
That's the difference.
Yeah, because you have people that say the words, but they don't really mean it. I mean it. Because like whenever you get a promotion, or you remember back in the days when you go on interview, me I follow you, go pick out the outfit, me I do your ear for you, me I do your makeup for you, me call you every second, you get it, you know what I'm saying?
Or we'll go over interview questions before that.
I'm going to go over interview with you before I ask you questions that they might ask you. And I just think that's the way I would want to be treated by my friend.
Yeah,
and you do the same thing. So when you genuinely care for a person, nothing that they have, you could have go tomorrow and win the mega million and be a millionaire. I would feel like I'm a millionaire too.
Well, you would be. it's not you feel. You would be, girl.
Right.
How would you win, girl? Promise you that. I promise you that as I sit right here. I promise that.
Yeah, and if you win and then change, then that would be on you.
Ain't gonna happen.
No, I'm just saying. Then that would have to be something you would have to live with. You understand? Your conscience. If you have a conscience, that's something you would have to live with. Yeah. You understand? I would feel hurt and disappointed, but I wouldn't come and dog you out and stuff because I feel like whatever you have in a relationship, while it's good, you have to appreciate it, and not because the relationship goes south, then all of a sudden you're going to put it out there and class the person and talk all that happened in the relationship. No, you still have to hold that loyalty to the good times you share with that person.
That's true.
Yeah, and all the person confiding in you hold that. That have nothing to do with what happened now. So I respect people who does that. Yeah, I respect that. If we should have fall out now and whatever secrets me tell you, you come and blurt it out because we're not on good terms. No, let's fight about what going on now.
What caused the issue for us to break up? Yeah, versus secrets.
Yeah, versus
I don't believe in that either. If you tell me something, it stays right here.
Yes.
Yeah, it shouldn't go any further.
So that's how me operate in a life. And like I said, friendship have to happen naturally for me. It have to happen where me and the person just interact and we have things in common and share certain beliefs together. You know what I'm saying? Somebody can believe different from I do. That doesn't determine whether we're going to be friends or not.
Right.
Because I'm the type of person, me believe that people have their own way of thinking and things like that. But, it has to happen natural.
Yeah.
It has to happen natural.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Me will get up and me will talk about a person, but me can't say, okay, I'm a friend that, or I'm a friend. It has to happen naturally.
There has to be a special connection.
It has to be a special connection.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah, me can't do things with motives behind it. It not gonna work for me. Yeah, because I remember one time, you remember this? One time, people, and this happened with Vanilla and I. There was this girl where always a show off per way, always a show off per way. So I remember we got a hotel in that time that we didn't live in New Hampshire no more. Yeah, we didn't live in New Hampshire no more. We're going to visit. So it was our plan say we're going to show off back on the girl.
I remember
yeah,
that.
we said we're going to show off on her. We plan out how we're going to show off, You see when the girl show up, we feel none of we remember how to start show off. It was we look for one another. She come and start show off by way again, and we don't know how to start show off. When the girl gone, Vanilla say, I thought we were supposed to show off. Listen, I thought we were supposed to show off. I didn't know how to start the showing off.
We didn't know how to do it.
We didn't know how to start the show off. I'll never forget that. Yes, we plan up all we're going to show off in our life. We're rehearsed. I tell you, we're rehearsed.
But we were going to put down props too.
Yeah, we don't put down props.
Happen.
None of that. When the girl come and start show off, it was sit down there dumbfounded. None of we don't know how to begin to show off. Yeah, we have figured out how we started showing off, and none of we don't know how to start it.
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, because I'm one of them people that know show off for the simplest thing. She always a show off. Whatever you do, she do something similar or exactly the same thing. So she always come with these stories.
Or try for one up. Like you come up with something and you say, oh, I got a brand new car. And you say, what kind of car? She'll say, oh, I just got a brand new car. And it's like, she tries to make it better.
Yeah, she always she finds something, the least little thing. She tries to show off. Like she did come my hotel and she tell us that she stayed there before and this and that, and she got better one hotel. So we did make up all we know what she going to show off. I said we are going to show off about this. We have a whole heap of stuff where we say we are going to show off back with. When the girl come, we don't know how to start the showing off. It always sit down there, look at me, I look down. Yeah, me I look at Vanilla and I say, when Vanilla going to start show off?
Me I look at her like when she going to start. We don't say who are going to start, we just say we are going to show off. And that's how we are going to show off. Now wait on her and she'll wait on me. After she left, we're like,
I thought we were supposed to show off.
What happened?
Yeah, we just forget it. We just make you sit down there and
say,
show off.
That's not us.
Yeah, we say make you just stay there and show off.
Make her go on, yeah? That's not us. And we know probably half the things she has show off on probably didn't even happen. So
yeah, we know so she alive. But when you're tired for hearing every time we see her, always a show off about something. I was sick of it, man. I said, we are going to show off back on her today. And we sit down and plan up a whole heap of second where we're going to show off saying, when the girl show up, it always sit down and look for one another. So, who are going to start the showing up?
Yeah.
None of we couldn't start. Yeah.
Let me just see one comment, Chocolate. Our husbands are brothers.
Ooh, what's the comment?
Somebody asked, is Vanilla your sister-in-law also?
No, we're best friends.
We're best friends, and we're married to two brothers.
Yeah, two brothers.
So her husband is my brother-in-law.
If we're sisters in real life, then yes. But we're best friends, although we consider ourselves sisters.
We consider ourselves sisters.
Yeah. But we're married to two brothers.
Yes.
Yeah. And them look like twins, although they're not twins.
No, they're not.
One's taller, one's lighter.
Right.
We have one dark skin. Yeah. My husband light skin. Yeah.
Yeah, my husband's darker.
And your husband's darker.
And shorter.
In thinking tall.
Don't tell him something so you know.
Don't
tell him something so.
In thinking tall.
I mean, look, I'm short.
I could read some of my comments then so we can interact. Yes. I lost my best friend in 2020 and I still cry. I miss her so much. I still can't believe she's gone. I'm so sorry, Susan. Morgan. Oh my God, I can't even imagine.
Yeah, I can't imagine.
I can't. Is Vanilla American? Yes, she is American.
Yes, I'm American.
Yes, but because she rolled me so long, yes, she learned the patois.
Chocolate, rub off on me.
Yeah. You guys are sister-in-law then. All right, we'll take it. Alright, we're sister-in-law then. But Vanilla and I were best friends way before she got.
Sisters, we're twins of the soul.
Yeah, well, I'll take it then because, yeah, I'll take it. On a pass, one knife, give me, make cut chocolate here. Then we'd laugh. Oh God. Yes, but, you know, people always make these comment that you can't have genuine friendship. I believe there's so many genuine friendships out there. Two women can be best friends and support each other and have each other back. I know every woman gossipy. I know every woman have a bad mind and jealous you. You know, if you had friends like that, which I did, you get rid of them. They're not friends. You have good people out there that can be loyal friends to you. Sometimes are people where you don't even know.
Yeah.
Don't even know from a, you know, could be somebody new coming in your life and the best thing that ever happened in your life. Sometimes you don't even need anything from that person, but just to have that ears to listen, and sometimes you need advice or whatever. So yeah, you have good loyal friends out there. I have friends out there other than Vanilla who are amazing friends, just like Vanilla. In Jamaica, yeah. I have two friends in Jamaica. They are awesome. Big up on yourself, big up Khaled and big up Marley. And love you guys.
Big up Khaled.
Yes. Then the friends that when me go to Jamaica, man. You know some people you go to Jamaica, the first thing them that ask you what you bring for me. No, when them hear me come to Jamaica, what you want for bring up? What we can put on for, what we can get for you bring up. And them things that just, you know, touch me heart. Yes. Yes, some want to give them a whirl. Because them are the kind of friend, and when, you know what I'm saying? Them are the kind of friend where we're just opportunists and just want from you. And you know, they've been around me when I had absolutely nothing. Yeah? Absolutely nothing. When I come here in their high school and I go back to Jamaica and I have nothing for bringing in my suitcase but my clothes them. If I go look for Mike. Yeah, because girlfriend, where I get money from? Yeah? Me used to work in a beauty salon as summer job and go to school. And as soon as I build up enough money, I buy a plane ticket. Yes. Jamaica, me go. I go 2-3 times to the day I'm here. Yeah.
Them ask have I ever been to Jamaica? Yes.
Oh, Walipa time.
Walipa time.
This girl been to Jamaica and was supposed to stay there for just what? A week, and you end up spending 3 months?
Yeah, I lost my job.
Yes,
I lost my job because of Jamaica, okay?
Jesus Christ.
Get addicted, then one come home.
Yes.
Lose my job, my life.
Lose her job, then fire her. Yes.
Fired me, my lie to her sister, tell her sister, say, they gave away my seat.
Yeah.
On plane.
American Airline to be exact.
And no go so.
Yeah, no party, we want party.
Yeah.
Every night we're gonna dance. You see, we are street dance, all kind of dance. Left from St. Catherine, go Ochi, go Manti, go Baden after Negril. Yes, the night that when Vanilla planned to spend 3 months at Jamaica, you know which part where the Manti go be. And the next morning, Vanilla supposed to have board the plane for come back home. Vanilla said, I ain't going back nowhere. I'm not going home. I ain't going home. Mr. Vanilla, you don't have enough clothes down here, you just plan to spend away. I don't care, we can wash them. We'll wash them and wear them. Jamaica nice. Jamaica too nice. I'm not going home. Yeah, 3 months. Vanilla spend on Arati, Jamaica with me. All up a market, Vanilla there. Like he live down there. You hear me? Yes, we got a river, everything. Yes, man.
Yeah,
river. Everything. Yes, guys.
Build a raft.
Yeah, we build a raft, you know, like we not no cares in our damn world.
None.
Being
outside with the hose.
Being outside with hose and all kind of sitting.
I mean, we had on our clothes.
Yeah, Vanilla that, yeah? Let me tell you. Yes. No member says she will come back a foreign. She have her job up here, then fire her backside.
Yeah, lose my job.
Lose her job.
Thank you, Jamaica.
Yeah, but I remember, guys, one time we got Jamaica too, and I brought another white friend with me. She named Sarah from New Hampshire.
Yep.
You were there too.
Yep. I remember.
And guys, I will never forget this. And we lost contact with this family because I ended up changing phones and we lost contact with this family. And it was years ago, maybe like 20 something years ago. We went to Portland. And it was like maybe two or three carloads of us. We said we're going to go to Portland and go look for beach at Portland. We want to go the jerk place in a Portland. What it called? Boston Market, as I call. Don't correct me if I'm wrong. I don't remember what it called. But we know one famous jerk center up there. And we said we are going to tour Portland. So when we are driving to Portland, you know, we crazy, you know. We crazy. Trust me. You see, we crazy. So when we are driving to Portland, we see one gate. And on the gate, them have one sign. So they sell box juice. Them sell juice.
It's called Boston Jerk.
Boston Jerk. Thank you. Me don't think about Boston Market, the food place up here. But me know Boston something. Yeah? So, Boston Market. Lord, take the keys.
Totally different.
So, we see one, because we stay now, we just charismatic and we not care. So, we see one gate with one sign on it, say them sell juice over in a yard. So, we say, tap it here, Mr. Tap it here. Make we go support the you know, just regular people without shop. Make we support the people them. So, we stop it here. And we ended up going in our people them yard. Them house, they're a little bit away from the ocean. You can stay in the yard and the ocean's right there. So we walk down one hill. You have to walk down one hill if you go in the yard. We're going to them yard, people. Listen to this. We down there talk to the people, them wife and husband and kids. Them have a hammock, and never forget it, them have a hammock pan a tree in a them yard. Before you know it, me in our people them hammock. Before you know it, we send the people them go shop. A shop go buy food. Before you know it, we in our house, in a living room, cock up. Like so where them family come from America, you know. We spend a whole damn day with the people them, you hear me?
We didn't even know.
End up all in a kitchen and help cooking, man. Yes, sit down pan veranda. Yes, on a tree, me say, we spend the whole damn day at Portland at the total stranger yard, and they treated us like we were their family, came from America. That kid you not. How? Because we stop to go buy box juice. If people them love we, they love we change our numbers.
Man.
Yeah, we swap our numbers.
Yep.
You fi see me all take off shoes, you know. In a woman then sofa and lay up in there, you know. Turn on TV, you know. Make them on that tree, you know. Yeah. Me say, we spend the whole rotted day at people them yard. I'll give hug and sitting, if we then go on, or them all miss we.
Loving.
Or them all miss me, and tell us, when they come back for me, I'll call them too. Yes. And because me cheat, my phone, me switch phone, me lose contact with them. Yeah, I don't know their last name. Yeah. Me tell us that with their people them yard, end up in a living room, end up in a kitchen. Yes. Send them out, we got to store and buy one heap of food. You hear me? We spend a whole day, you couldn't tell say no we cousin them there, you hear?
Can't tell say in a family.
You can't tell say, and of them we left foreign go look for. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
All right, I got it.
Oh, you remember one from DNG?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about. Oh my God. Yeah, let me tell you guys. So we were looking for this place to party because, you know, we used to love to party. So we were looking for a place to party. And we see these woolly car line up.
Over Portmore.
And we say, all right, come. We send the guys them for go check it out.
Yeah, it was in Christmas time, so they made have a company party, DNG company party. So we dress up and we don't know where to go. We have a car, a drive all about, so for some reason we end up at Portmore. When we go over there, we see this woolly car and people dress up in a tight, going to one party. You have men stand up outside the gate where the event are keep, and they have a list, you know, with them guests on them list. Yeah, them have a guest list. I check it, and we one guy party, you know, and we say, oh, we are gonna make it in this party, and we send Vanilla tell Vanilla to go up to him, go a gate and pretend she a party. Vanilla walk up to the gate, they're not even checking list. Them say come on in and then call in Vanilla. Vanilla say I have some, say we are kebe. So Vanilla said me have, I have some people, my family with me. Yeah, before you know it, the whole of we end up in a DNG company party. You hear? We have round table, have we
drinks?
Yeah, have we drinks. You want to see we in a line with a plate and go up a buffet.
Like we belong there.
Yeah, like we belong there.
Thank you, DNG.
Yeah, and we don't know people them from a can of paint. You hear me?
Another for Adam.
We up on the dance floor and dance with all the people that work at DNG, man. You couldn't tell we say we're not part of DNG company.
No, sir.
DNG, we love you.
Thank you, DNG.
Yeah,
big up yourself, DNG.
We find pleasure in doing stuff like that all the time. I'll end up a people barbecue when I know. Yeah, when we live all in New York.
Yeah.
End up at them barbecue, family reunion, and tell them say them I'm a cousin and same thing there.
Say them we are colors, we are having the same colors.
Yeah.
Alright, we are going.
We are going for a family reunion. Whether you want with there or not, we come in. Yes, I will go before you know with their family reunion. We just want to hear somebody call somebody name. And they say, a cousin this, a cousin. Oh, cousin, what's up, cousin? Yes, before you know we're part-time family. Yeah. We used to do some sitting. We're part-time family.
Yeah.
Yes. We're going to people summertime and we're bored and we're not nothing to do. What? What? We're going to look for somebody cook out. Or somebody family reunion.
Yeah.
And we just want to hear a couple names. Auntie whatever and our uncle this. We go over uncle this, uncle that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here everybody we listen and say, all right.
Yeah.
We know their name there.
We know their name there.
We know their name there. All right. We know their name there. All right.
Yeah.
We're good, man. We're good.
We
know some name.
Yes. I would just tell. I ask them, so who your family is? We just tell them somebody what we hear for them name in there. They say, such beautiful your daughter. Yes, such beautiful daughter.
No.
Yes. And with them.
No, nobody.
Yes.
We don't know nobody.
We don't know nobody. Yeah. Nobody we don't know. Yes.
No, sir.
All the time.
So we go on, so we just to make it known.
All the time. Yes. All the time.
Come on.
Yeah, just live and have fun, and you have nice people out there. Trust me.
Absolutely, and people who open up, open arms and let you come in and invite you to their
people
place.
that are Portland, I will never forget them. Wherever they are, God bless you guys so much. We will never ever forget you guys. Never. And I hope we cross path again in life. Because I would just like to just show you guys how much you have impacted our lives, and we appreciate you. Total strangers that just stop wanting to buy some box juice, and you let we utilize your yard, your hammock, we slay down in there and swing from side to side. The house, the kitchen, the food was delicious. Yeah, we make sure them are clean people them. Yes, clean people them. Yes. Clean people them. And they just accept us with open arms. Don't know us from a can of paint. Yes, and we will always remember that.
Yep.
Yes, always. Yes. Portland have good sausage up there. What kind of sausage? What kind of sausage? Portland all the way. That's what friends are for. Yes. I Andrea love. Yeah, me tell you, people, I will never forget it. Never. Yeah, so there are still good people out there because, and one thing I have to say to before the new year come in.
Them want to know when we are coming to New York.
When we are coming to New York, I'm gonna be
where work money.
I could have been to New York already, but because the pandemic and this thing's still out there. And when I want to get to, and
with the new variant, make it worse.
But my niece is gonna be graduating nursing school in August, and they're planning a party for her. So I think we will be there in the summer next year in New York. If not before that. Yeah. So We'll be in New York next year. Yeah. But yeah, Oprah crack you guys up. I'm a believer. Oh, Anisha, big up yourself. Janet Campbell, big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Big up, big up, big
Who I call a Bringle name? What I call a Bring it for? Yeah? Who I call a Bring it? Altia. I call a Bring it, no one. You bad, you know. What am I saying? I'm talk to each other. I'm not here. Does your husband have a third brother?
Yeah,
he has
taken.
a third brother, but he's taken. He's married, yes. He's in Jamaica.
We love you too, our cousin Diane.
We love you too, cousin Diane.
Wait.
Cousin Diane, yes. How many kids you guys have? One. I have. She have.
I have 3 and 3, so 6.
Yes.
My
And that's
next family of
blended,
6.
yes. You want him? Somebody asked her that Portland have nice bring to. Me don't know. Me need a look for no bringing up there when me did go.
Let me ask him. Jackie asked Eileen if she wants the third brother.
The third brother. Oh my God. From St. Thomas, okay. Janet Lodge is from.
Oh, they want to know how your evening was at the Ritz-Carlton.
It was beautiful. It was really nice. I didn't get a chance to come on and vlog. Yes, because they kept bringing me stuff, surprises after surprises. And I just didn't get the time. You know, I wasn't thinking about the phone, to be honest.
Yeah.
I just wanted to stay in the moment.
Yeah.
But it was very nice. They brought me champagne, they brought me flowers, balloons and chocolate. I didn't want any cake because may have so much cake here. It was really nice. They gave me champagne from the room. When I went downstairs, there were more champagne. They kept the champagne coming. Yes, Mike and I, we danced. We had a beautiful time. Yeah.
Okay, so we've been friends for February will make 29 years.
Yeah, February will make 29.
Yeah, I met her right after she got married.
Yup.
I wish I knew her before.
Right, because you would have been a part of my wedding.
They want to know when we're coming to Jamaica.
We're going to be in Jamaica, I want to say, by April. By April.
That's the goal.
Yeah, that's the goal. Because we have vacation scheduled for next month. So after that, April. April, we're going to be in Jamaica around April, Easter time.
Yeah.
We want to do April.
Yeah. Okay, to clarify your question, who was that asked that question? Chambers. I have 3 kids. My husband has 3 kids. So we have 6 kids together.
Yeah, we don't like to use the word
She said, Vanilla,
step.
did you say she had 6 kids?
Yeah, they just don't like to use the word
we don't
step.
use the step.
Yeah.
They're like my kids.
Yeah, so
I love them like
step
they're my
kind of separate.
It doesn't.
The separation.
No, they're my kids.
Yeah. So that's that. Any more questions? On a nosy, say on a fast.
No, they want to know if you rewarded Tough Crackers
If I rewarded Tough Crackers
at the Ritz.
at the Ritz, what happens at the Ritz
Stays at the Ritz.
On a warm if a chat, I mean I know if bring you a watch. I set on a one set me up. On a thing some full. On a naga make me answer that. Because bringing, me not know if bringing upon here. And me not hurt for me bringing feelings.
No, sir.
Me not doing it. Yeah. Me not doing it. A set on a one set me up. Yeah. Me not know if bring it turn up in a one corner and watch and want hear what happened at the Ritz. Me not saying it. Bring it, nothing happen at the Ritz. Bring it. No. Nothing happened at the Ritz. Bring it. You hear bring it? No.
Vanilla, please tell your BFF to leave our air before my broker ends.
Me say it's a habit me have and me can't come out of it.
We do the same thing, you know.
It's a habit me have and every time I watch back in life, me say what's wrong with you? You can't put on your hand. Me at work pan it. Me at work pan it for New Year. Me can't talk. happy. Yeah. Watch me feel the urge to do it again. No, me nah do it. Me say it's a habit and me can't broke out a habit. But back to what I want to say. Before me no member, me want to save this for New Year's Eve night. I should not save it for Thursday night.
Save it now.
Me save it for Thursday night. Yes, me want to debunk some of the stereotyping that go on against women, against unity, yeah, against us, because me all these statements, you know, me got trapped because me can't hold my mouth. You know, say I'm me, I'm a mouth, right? You know, you always read on social media, you have people make comments and say, why Jamaican always tear down one another? Why women always can't unite and bad mind each other? You know, me see them stuff that all the time. When I read comments on social media, I want to debunk that because that's not true. Because they don't highlight the Jamaicans that unite. Look at when they come for our planka boss. We stood up, not just us, but look, Michelle LaDonna. Look, have you noticed that? Chit Chat TV, Lady V. Yeah, when they go after Your Majesty, we were there. Cheryl Rose Green. Yes? So look, before you use that broad brush, we never left our sister out there. We stood up for her. We defended her even when she didn't want us to. So before you go and use that broad brush to say all Jamaican people bad mind, all women bad mind, no, honey. The evil ones are bad mind. The jealous ones are bad mind. The ones that with the dirty heart, they're bad mind. But we build a fence around us. Right then and there, that's unity. Not to mention, I'm not going to say only women, because you have Dwayne Fletcher too. Grace C, all of them stood up. Me watch it happen. Me can only talk about what me see. Yeah? And we come out and we defend our own. So not all Jamaicans are bad mind. Yeah? Not all Jamaicans are envious. And we're living proof to show that we stood up for our sister. And we stood up for our sisters and brothers too.
That's right.
We did that.
Too.
Yes, we did that.
Yep.
You had Michelle LaDonna who did it so calmly. Yeah? When you want to get it with the comedic way, you know, you have Dwayne will bring it to you. Yeah? With all I'm heart and soul. Be very, very clear.
Be very clear.
Be very clear. Yeah. Then you have Gracie. Yeah, we defend it. We say, yeah, she, yeah, you, yeah, she, yeah.
Yeah, we.
Yeah, we. Yeah. And then, yeah, you have Anika and Chit Chat TV. We'll whip them back into action. Yeah, we'll whip them back into order. Don't forget that.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand? Yes. And then you have Lady V that goes so intelligently and do it so intelligently and effortlessly. So don't you ever say, well, us Jamaican women don't know how to unite. Our Jamaicans don't unite and we always bash each other. That's not true.
Right.
You have the good ones out here. In every culture, you have good and bad. Yeah? Yeah. And that's what I want to say. Yeah. We stand up for our own. Yeah? And we do it out of love. We do it out of love. Yeah? So when you won't use that brush, be careful. Yeah? And not only Jamaican, people from all over was going after people when them attack, you know, our auntie. Yeah? But so many times I've seen that statement made. Yeah? You have people from all over. Yeah? Not just Jamaican. woman empowerment, because you go for Planka Boss platform, there are more that love her than people that don't.
Yeah.
Yeah? There are more of you. We know there are more of you that loves us than those who don't.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yep.
So in everything, you're going to have the good and you're going to have the bad. But just don't classify us all as the same.
Right.
Yeah. So, big up on yourself.
Big up.
Yeah, man, I went doing a little wine, you know. And yes, and then go son in wine, you know. Yes, man, and he can't wine, you know. But he might try for wine, you know, man. Wine, you know. Oh, clearly. Yeah, be very, very clear. And he said, be very, very clear.
Very, very clear.
I love Planka Boss with my heart and soul. All of my heart and soul.
Yeah.
Yes, me love you when he sister, you see.
You say that about Gracie. You say that about Gracie the other day.
I love you with all of my heart,
with
and,
all
soul.
Of my heart and soul.
Be very clear. Be very, very clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
I love to say that. Be very, very clear.
Be very, very clear. Yes, man. So I just want to point out that, you know,
not everybody.
Life is so short. We all need to, yes, life is too short. We all need to live better and get along and be more positive. Yes, too much, too much attack against each other. But you have you can't be the only one who wants to change. Change has to come from the other people. Because nobody's going to sit down and be attack and don't respond at some point. Because we're human beings. Right. You know, I'm not going to sit here and say next year is a new year and, chocolate and vanilla will never respond to anybody. We have feelings. I'm going towards a new year with a positive mentality and attitude. But, you don't have to do with people these days anything for them to come at you. They want to come at you for whatever reason. I don't know. And we're here. We're not just going to take it laying down. Yeah, we'll try to ignore most of it, but I'm not going to promise anybody that I'll never respond. Yeah, I'm trying to learn from Planka Boss to ignore, but I'm not there yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm my own person. And I have to get there. Yeah?
Yep.
It took her a while to get there. It's going to take me a minute to get there. Coffee my mouth, you know? Yeah, I'm just saying. Vanilla teach me how to. Yeah.
Trying.
Yeah, me will try.
Try for letter, just let things, go off. I try not to let things bother me. I don't let a lot of things bother me, but
yes.
I try to tell Chocolate do the same thing.
Yeah.
Make them go on. We're still alive.
Yeah, but we're not gonna dwell there. But no. I just in the spirit of us moving towards the new year, I just want to make that clear before I forget. I just want to shout out all the positive people on social media, and to say let's approach the new year with a positive outlook, and it was fun watching you guys and to see all the whether it's the drama or whatever you guys have brought different things to the table. Yes, and we hope to continue to entertain you guys and to be the best version of ourselves and to remain positive and always, try to uplift others and motivate others and try to make a difference in the lives of those that we sit here and talk to each and every night.
Absolutely.
That's the aim. I love you guys.
Love you guys.
And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Enjoy the rest of your Boxing Day night.
Right.
Yes. And it was fun. I hope you guys get to know us a little bit better. Chambers.
Yes, prayers for Salone. I hope she feels better.
Yes. Prayers up.
Yeah.
Prayers up for her. Yes. We love you too. Josiane, I hope I say that. Josiane, love you too. Love you too,
guys
Jackie girls. Love you too. Francine, love you. Thank you guys. Pauline Lewis, big up yourself. Gillette, Davis, if you're on here, big up yourself. Duval, if you're on here, big up yourself.
Yes, big up,
Patricia,
big
if you're on here, big up yourself. Miss Cece, big up yourself. Jennifer Foster from New York, big up yourself. Jennifer Gooden, big up yourself.
Audrey.
Audrey from Trinidad and Tobago, big up yourself. Love you guys. Whomever I forget, Susan Pilgrim, big up yourself. Big up everybody. Big up on yourself, yeah. Big up on yourself. Big up yourself, Marlene. Big up yourself, Colette. Rosemary, big up yourself. Yes, Sean McCoy, big up yourself. Valen, big up yourself. Love you guys. KCN, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Michelle, there's Patricia, big up yourself.
Yes, Patricia.
Cecilia, big up yourself. Nicole McFarlane, big up yourself. Angel, big up yourself. Carlin, big up yourself. Michelle Stainrock, big up yourself. Irie, sister, big up yourself. Maxine Thomas, big up yourself. Rosemary, Althea, big up yourself. There goes Gillette, big up yourself. Val Rose, big up yourself. Shireen, big up yourself. Nicole, big up yourself. I love you guys. And there's nothing you can do about it.
That's right.
We'll be back Thursday night.
Cage your credits.
Yes, cage your credits and give away some credits for right
before the new year. Hopefully
Alright?
people can go into the new year with some credits.
Alright guys, you have a blessed night. We're going to steal some love as we head out. Can I steal some more love with y'all?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to steal some more love while we head out tonight, okay? Yes, man. We are going to steal some more love as we head out. Let's go. Stay away from me. I can't stay away from you. each and every one of you have a wonderful night. I love you guys, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it.
Yes, everybody have a blessed night. Love you guys.